Uh-huh. So,
Although the new guy's been fantastic.
oh yeah, the Indian guy. So today is Sunday, June the 15th, 2014. It is around sometimes after
10:40-ish.
10 in the morning, 10:40-ish. So,
Good morning!
we are in Indian Lake,
Yes.
New York, in Adirondack
Adirondack.
National Park. And we are gonna make our way to Chimney Mountain. It's gonna go, supposedly going through some cave system with an end at a summit for about a mile. Right, a mile?
That's what this paper
Yeah, a
says.
mile. This is where we came from. Has its own different feel to it. Let me say hi to camera. You around? Hi. Okay, so we are halfway up on Chimney Mountain Trail. We haven't found the caves yet. Supposedly it should be at the end of the 1 mile hike. And what did you say the incline was?
We've done about 1,600 steps.
And
it says that we've gone up 39 flights.
39 flights.
That's a lot in a short period of time.
Yeah. So I would guess this is like 45% incline. Great incline. And it's getting tiring. Look how much further we have to keep going up. I'm not seeing caves yet. We saw a chipmunk, camera shy, and some birds, right? Okay. So I think we made another 0.1 mile up. That's how steep it is. Definitely seeing rocks. And yeah, that's where we're going up. I guess we have to climb a little bit. All right. Oops. So it is now 11:22 a.m. We left at 10:40. So half an hour.
Yeah, 40 minutes.
And for the past 10 minutes, it's only been about 0.1 mile up the mountain. I would say it's like 70%
It's really
incline.
steep.
You think so? Yeah, 70% incline. And that's how much more we have to keep going up. So we just need to take a break because it's really tiring.
Yes.
Yes. One with nature.
Being one with nature indeed.
So it is now 11:40 in an hour. We have climbed 0.8 miles. Made it to the cavern's entrance. I would say we have like 0.2 miles left to the summit.
We had company. We ran into 3 people.
Yes, 3 beautiful young people.
Only one.
Oh wow, you know.
Well, you're still.
Well, so let's see. Let's show up here. Make sure I don't fall on my face. And that's the way going to the caves. Okay. Yep.
Doesn't fall off the edge.
This is the view from here. Let's see. Just walk up there. Da-da-da. Oops. Okay. Oh, look. Just keeps going.
Oh.
Which way should we go? Left? Alright. Left? Alright.
I say right.
And then left?
We can come back and check out the little.
Oh, just go back down to the other side. I think we're supposed to go down through that caves. I see a trail marker. Right?
Look at the view from up here.
What view? Oh yeah.
I wonder if that's the summit. Climb up on those rocks.
Ah, you're right.
I'll come back and get a picture down here.
So,
You may want to stop filming because of the climb.
there. No, you can't really see anything. No, I think the summit is way over there. On the other side. See? I don't want to go over there. I'm scared. Do you see anything? Huh? No. No. Yeah.
Ground is if you drop the camera with your hand.
Okay, so it is 11:50.
Something like that.
We finally made it to the top. It's Rob standing on the edge of the world. You can see the lake down there. That's where we park our car. So you can see how high up we have been climbing for the past hour or so. It's a scary, amazing view. Let's see if I can move where Rob is. Why? I have my phone. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. So that's where.
There's a hole here, so watch.
That's where Rob climbed up from down there. And I came from that way because I got scared. So that. Thank God it's sunny out. Okay. 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 Okay, Rob, I'm gonna sit over there with you. Somehow.
Hold on. Let me swing my feet around so I can go on the edge of the rock.
On the edge.
I don't want to drop my foot.
Fuck. Holy shit. Okay, okay. I can do it. Oh, that's a bird. Oh, that just flew away. Wow, look at the view, huh? Ooh, windy. Look at the lake. I like that view over there. It's really pretty. So, okay. Hey, can you hold the camera for me? Don't drop it.
Oh yeah, put the pressure on me.
I'm gonna try and get him high. Hey, I made it.
Woohoo!
You can press,
Woohoo!
you can press the camera to make this. So, it is now noon after taking some extreme pictures.
And the picture posted on
Yeah,
Facebook. Wow.
the signal is up here. It's Rob sitting like a king.
I wonder if I can FaceTime from up here, Brendan.
It's kind of scary up here. Scared of height. That's what it is.
Let's see.
So let's see if I can see the lake. Yeah. Oh. Well, I'm gonna move over to where you are, Rob. A little bit. Okay. Oh yeah, we never check how high we are.
Yeah, we're that high.
Yeah, see the lake? That's where we were. That's where the car is. It's been an amazing weekend with Robert Alonso. Robert. Glued to his phone. And technology. Okay, I'm gonna move forward because I don't want to fall down. Anything like that. You think I can sit up with you?
Whoo! Gosh, what a view.
It's not working, is it?
Well, I'm not sure if it's not working or people not answering it.
Ah,
Where's my, I'll
it's
try.
Father's Day.
Yeah, they could all be out. I'll try Rose, my sister.
Alright. Should take us, what, an hour?
An hour to make it back down, yeah.
Maybe an hour and a half? Since it's quite a steep climb up. Oops.
It's all downhill from here.
Yep, all downhill from here. And now we're on top of the world. On the edge of the world.
Wow, it's connecting with my sister.
Oh yeah? So we met a family who does cave climbing and mountain climbing, and they recommended us to go around the other side of the cliff from the last video, where the cliff is the opposite of us. So we actually climbed the mountain this time and no more hiking. It's not a hiking anymore. It's climb. You can see if I have the nerve to stand up on this cliff slowly. Okay. You can see the lodge down there. That's where we park our car. You see the lake over there. And, that's where we came from. Crazy. No trail marker. Crazy. Now let's hope we can make our way back, because it's time to go back. It's time to go back. Yeah. Okay, so it's now 1:22 p.m. and Rob went from being relaxed to stressed out,
Highly stressed.
because
Not just stressed out.
I
highly
suggested that we took, well, family, you know, that family couple, family guy suggested that we go down a different path than where we came from, to some caves, which we kind of found, but it's really nothing. But we got to see the lake a little bit, but it was unmarked territory and we thought we got lost, but we finally found our way back around the cliff.
We'll see
to
when
the
we make it to
trail.
the car.
And-
That's the key, making it back to the car.
And it went from hiking to climbing the mountain. Rob freaked me out for a little bit, because I thought I was on the right track, following the trail, you know?
And I'm like, we need to go down and just walk.
He wants me to go down the unbeaten path down the mountain cliff. But we made it. We made it. We don't need to call the what do they call them? The National Forest?
Forest ranger.
Yeah, to come and save us. So should take us another 45 minutes to get all the way down, I hope. Then Rob has to go to the airport.